Hi everybody. Today we're going to be making some breakfast. We're going to make bacon and eggs in the Ninja Possible Cooker. We might throw in pancakes, but we'll wait and see. So we're going for the crispy version here today. Alright, so we're going to turn it on sear saute. I'm just going to leave it on high for right now. We're just going to let this warm up and we're going to bring the bacon out of the fridge and get started. So it's probably been warming up for maybe like 30 seconds. So I'm just going to take some, this is a thicker cut bacon. It's not going to sizzle because it's not really hot right now. All right. Let's see how many pieces we can fit in here. And I was thinking, like this Ninja Possible Cooker, this would be a perfect addition to a camper. So you can actually cook breakfast like outside, if you're plugged into power. All right, so it probably took like 3 minutes for it to come up to where it says add food. All right, so we're getting a little sizzle here. And I still have it on high, so we're just going to see how it does on high. If we need to lower the temp, I will go ahead and do that. So just for fun, I just went ahead and put the cover on just to see what would happen. So, go ahead and actually might be able to do the whole thing. Yeah, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and turn this down. Oh, baby. Also, by adding the cover, you might cut down on some grease splatter and whatnot, so it's probably a good thing. Alright, so we're going for the crispy version here today. So I'm going to take this out. So this does smoke a bit. Put it on a paper towel lined plate. Now, everybody, I did pick up, well, I want to play with one of these things. So let me grab some fat here. There we go. So I did want to just do this for fun. Awesome. Take another egg because I don't think it's level in here, so I just want to see. Oops. There. It's going to go off to the side just a bit. And just for a reminder, this is on low, so I am going to add the cover. It's bubbling away in there. Awesome. All right, so let's take the cover off for a quick second here. I'm going to take this and flip this one, if I can. There we go, perfect. Oops, on the sides. You guys didn't see that. All right, so this egg is almost done, so I'm going to pick this up. Oh, wow, look at that. That's cool. That's perfect for an Egg McMuffin. Whoa! Whoa, this is awesome. So definitely cook your eggs on low. I'd start the bacon on high, but I'd turn it down to low as soon as it comes up the temp. So I'm going to go ahead and I should be showing you guys this step, but this is going to be, I'm going to shut it off because it's going to stay warm in here and it'll finish cooking these eggs. All right, so here's the egg, just, whoops, kind of fell apart just a bit, but it's okay. Gonna take this out. All right. And this, that little ring thing, because I wanted it for, look at that, awesome. All right, everybody. Yeah, I mean, I like that little egg ring. I'm definitely gonna take that, well, camping with me, because I make egg, I guess you want, well, it's a copycat of McDonald's Egg McMuffin. I do that while I'm camping because I cheat. I do buy it's in the freezer, the pre-cooked sausage. And I do buy the pre-cooked bacon a lot of times when I go camping. However, this is not my camping channel. So this is home. I like the ring. You don't have to use it, but I think it really worked well. And you definitely want to cook it in that bacon fat. Look at this. Looks good. Really good. Bacon. This is a thicker cut bacon. So yeah. Ah, who doesn't love bacon? Sorry. My mother would yell at me. So, thanks everybody for watching. Yeah, I think the Ninja Possible Cooker, you can make breakfast in it at home. However, if you have a camper, excuse me, and you're at a campground, or if you have a generator or whatever, or if you have enough power, I would definitely bring that camping with you, because you can cook the bacon outside so you don't stink up the camper and whatnot. And yeah, so sometime I might actually do that if I actually stay at a campground where I have power. Might just give it a whirly, or I just might fire up the generator. So thanks everybody. Like, subscribe, stay tuned for more. See you in the next one, everybody. Bacon. So good.